So here are some irises that is grown in a raised bed. Um, we're not getting any bloom with these irises because the true reason is that it only have one bloom. The sun comes, the sun doesn't reach this area. So we have like a massive tree here, over here too. So it's very covered, and basically is not getting enough light, enough sun. So none of these rhizomes are actually producing any flowers, even though the irises have plenty of soil, and the soil are very soft as well. So they are, perhaps they're kind of buried. Like here's the rhizomes, they're kind of buried, like 1 inch buried. But this bed has a lot of nutrients, and if you look here, this is the chives that we grow. This is the chive is thriving, is very thick, right? And healthy. As for the iris, it doesn't give us any bloom because it's not getting enough sun. These give us some blooms, only 2 blooms, but you can see that the flowers is very small. I did not take pictures, or did I record it or anything like that, because the bloom was so tiny. I was very disappointed with it. But as you can see, even though you give it lots of soil and nutrients and stuff, if the iris is not getting enough light, it's actually this actually kind of tell you that is not getting enough sunlight and is not happy, and it will not give you flowers. So basically, give your iris enough sunlight. We thought that we had given them enough nutrients from the soil, which allow it to give us lots of blooms, but unfortunately you can tell by the leaf is a kind of light green, yellowish color instead of dark green like this one here. This is very healthy color, well, kinda, but the healthier color, it's actually dark green, not yellowish. So yeah, this is what I call a failed iris garden, because we give them enough nutrients in the soil, but we don't give them enough sunlight. Some irises thrive with sunlight. Some irises, they are okay under a shaded area, but apparently these type of this particular iris here that would grow here, and I don't know what it's called. This one is called Holiday in Mexico, and then the other one here, it's called Microbus Tasco 2009. Hopefully this one bloom, but basically these over here is not blooming at all.